2, Anthony Boro and Susan Wairi Moanyoike, Stella Wanjiro and Lawrence Joroge, Eric Karioki and Melody Wanjiro. She is a mother-in-law to Anne Wanjiro, David Boro, and Peter Getao. She is adopting grandmother to Ayana Wanjiro, Shana Bodoni, Ivan Boro, Jonathan Gigi, Sidney Bolo, Shaza Kerich, J. Boro, Shemio Modoni, Rizi Modoni, Ian Philip Degwa, and Lizzie Modoni Wanyoike. Career. Her career started as a teacher at State House Girls High School, teaching business studies. She later transferred to Temple College as a teacher in secretarial studies. The beginning of her first opportunity built on her dedication and commitment. She quickly rose from the position of lecturer to deputy principal and later co-owner of Temple College. Lizzie's entrepreneurial spirit and commitment to education led her to establish NIBS Technical College, a testament to her vision for empowering others through knowledge and skills. The institution stands as a living legacy, impacting countless lives by providing quality education and fostering a culture of excellence. In addition, Rizzi's achievements went on. The Emory Hotel, and now the Emory Hotel, stands as a symbol of her commitment to the hospitality and service industry. The establishment of this hotel was her vision that went beyond business. It was about creating space where people could thrive, learn and experience the best of life. Lizzie was a true philanthropist at heart. She founded Lizzie Wanyoike Foundation, embodying her belief in giving back to the community. Through this foundation, she has touched the lives of many, offering opportunities for growth, development, and a chance for a brighter future. Lizzie's dedication to education and nurturing young parents was evidenced by the establishment of the Lizzie Wanyoike Preparatory and Senior School. A testament to her unwavering commitment to shaping the minds of the younger generation and providing them with a strong foundation for success both in school and at home. Promotion to glory. 3 years ago, Lizzie faced health challenges that tested her strength and resilience. States, displaying incredible courage throughout Ajali. On January 14th, 2024, Rizzi took her well-deserved rest, leaving behind a legacy that will continue to inspire generations to come. As we reflect on Rizzi's rise, let us remember her as a woman of vision, compassion, and determination. Let us carry forward the torch she lit, ensuring that her legacy lives on in the hearts of those she touched. May her soul rest in eternal peace.
Dakika chache ningeomba tulivu kwa ajili ya maisha ya Daktari Rizzi Muthoni Wanyoike. Kimya kidogo. Basi mabibi na mabwana, ningependa kukaribisha tena kwenye ibada hii kwa ajili ya Daktari Rizzi Muthoni Wanyoike na familia yake ambao wako hapa nasi. Kwa nafasi hii ningeomba nitoe nafasi hii kwa ajili ya nyimbo na habari, jumbe fupi fupi kwa ajili ya Daktari Rizzi Wanyoike. Na ningependa msafara huu uongozwe na kwaya ya NIBS College kwa mwendo wa haraka haraka. Kwa hivyo NIBS College, tafadhali wimbo wenu. Ningependa mtumie muda mfupi sana kwa ajili ya watu ambao wameketi chini ya jua wasije wakaungua sana. NIBS Choir itafuatwa na wahadhiri wa chuo hiki cha Rizzi cha NIBS Technical College. Lecturers, tafadhali jipangeni mweze kuingia baada ya wanafunzi hawa wanaongoza kwaya.
The family and the management of NIBS, the NIBS College Choir is going to do a song fused with the great works Mama did for us. And the second one is Maskani Yangu. Maskani Yangu ni kule juu mbinguni.